Big ass fans.
Okay,
just stand somewhere there.
I think I've seen someone sit here before.
You see the shit start to move?
Oh yeah, right on. I feel it.
Yes. Have you ever stayed at the Circus Hotel?
That's
right,
cool.
normally we just have it on low, right?
Yeah, that'll go faster than that.
A little bit, yep.
I don't have to see it, but
No, yes. That's about
there's stuff flying around. Look. You got stuff flying around now. I think he likes hot sauce. Come take a look.
Mike, what about the Circus Hotel? What's your experience?
I had no problem.
I think he
with
likes
it.
hot sauce.
Oh, Avery said he had bed bugs. I'm sure he brought them with him. He probably
wanna show you
infected the
something.
place.
I went in to use the washroom.
Yeah.
I
No,
found
but
where Mike changed his
that's,
grinder just sat. Here, I'll show you.
most girls don't like that room.
Here's where Mike changes his grinder disc.
Okay, Matt, we got to go eat or we're going to miss a restaurant. That's Matt's room upstairs there.
That's nice.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Blair said they needed a bead roller, so they got the most expensive one for me.
Way to do it. Way to go for it.
Fuck, I think that was almost $4,000.
Yeah. Like,
Cass, what did that bead roller cost? The bead roller.
got some nice stuff. Nice sandblaster.
Yeah, anyway, yep.
Big safe. Will you haul all your money in this?
No, guns. Shh, don't
Guns.
tell anybody. Guns and bullets.
Good for you. With the way the world's going, you
That
might need
thing's
them.
full of moonshine.
Where? This one?
The keg.
Oh, okay. Full of moonshine. You bought it that way. You just
No, well, anyway, it was one of the episodes. Matt paid for 67 gallons of moonshine and it ended up here. We use it for fire starter.
Paid for a lot of stuff.
I can remember as a young person, a friend of mine's father would had a bunch of moonshine barrels like that.
Here, smell this stuff.
We got into it very fairly young and started taking it to school. Oh,
This
man,
stuff has been aging in here for 4 years
got
now.
big trouble.
Just, don't light a match though. Take a whiff. Smells good.
He wasn't lying.
That'll peel the hair right from your nose there.
He wasn't lying. So how long are you gonna let that sit there?
Well, until I can give it away, people come and say, "Hey, you want some fire starter?"
I got you.
Apocalypse for cleaning stuff, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
What you said?
You guys aren't big drinkers then? No, because
I
that
haven't had
would
a
be
drink
gone.
in 15 years.
That would be gone.
Yeah. Yeah, and we'd be brain dead, more brain dead than we are. Okay, we're gonna go eat. Let's go eat. Let's go eat.
Can you do a wrap up?
Okay.
Thank you for coming.
Well, hey man, thanks for stopping by. But anyway, we're gonna go have a lovely meal, and you guys are gonna check out the motorcycle museum because if you're into bikes, it is wild. Like this
We're just
guy's.
happy to be able to make it here and see where TV was done. You know,
Oh,
where you
yeah.
guys had, worked at, and I got to see Cassie on there, and I got to see you on there. And, you know what I mean? It's kind of a cool thing just to be here. You get a bunch of people showing up all the time.
All the time, like summertime's really bad.
Yeah.
But I mean, sometimes they just keep showing up, right? I mean, well, they're still showing the shows on Netflix.
Oh, cool.
Oh, this was the picture
cool.
that they
That's
took.
cool. Yeah, I've
hey,
seen that.
Mark, the guy with the fastback, came back and visited and brought that to me.
Excellent.
Yeah, Arctic Ocean. And that's a memory. Every time I look at this car now, I think about it, right?
Alrighty.
Metallic memory magnets is what I call them.
Everything they said about him is true.
Yeah, except the fact I'm good looking and intelligent. That's it.